Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya and I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. I really hope you guys are doing well, you're safe at home, everything is fine at your place. And today we are going to do this beautiful dark blue smoky eye. So what happened was few days back some of my YouTube subscriber, I don't know who it was, I don't remember it actually, but they DM'd me on Instagram and told me to create a smoky eye, and I just gave it a thought ki actually they are right. I don't have a smoky eye on my channel, and did not want to do something very basic like black smoky eye or brown smoky eye. I wanted to do a colorful smoky eye because that's how I am. I love colors. So I decided to do a blue smoky eye, and I just thought of filming it today because this is a beauty channel, this is a makeup related channel, and it has been a long time, like it has been ages that I have not posted anything like a makeup tutorial, and I desperately wanted to do that. So that is the reason we are here today. We have gathered here today to create this beautiful blue smoky eye. I really hope that you love this. If you love, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. And like I always say, without any further ado, let's get started. So I just came tad bit closer so you might be able to see my eye makeup more clear. Firstly, we'll go ahead and start with the eye base, and for eye base I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium tawny. I'll just apply it all over my eyes as an eye base. It has a very liquidy and sticky consistency. That is the reason I love to use this as an eye base. The coverage is also good. It just cancels all my pigmentation on my eyes. Also, if you're wondering what kind of lenses I am wearing, can you see these lenses are super beautiful. So these are aqua lens, yeah, aqua lens, and the shade is brown something, dusky brown I guess, I'm not sure. I'll link it in the description box. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can do that. Once we are done with the concealer, I'll take this beauty blender. This is the beauty blender from Mars. I got it for $1.99 I guess, and this is really good. If you are in search of a beauty blender, you should definitely go ahead and try this. I will show how beautifully it blends. Can you see it blended the concealer in seconds? I love it. Looks beautiful. Also, this beauty blender doesn't like take out excess of product, which is a good part. And I was in hunt of a good beauty blender for a very long time. Do you see all the pimples over here? तो ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के वजह से आया. आई वॉज नॉट यूजिंग अ गुड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड, और मेरे पास एक ही था जो अच्छा काम करता था, तो आई वुड कीप ऑन यूजिंग इट. एंड यू नो कि एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को एक महीने से ज़्यादा यूज़ करने से क्या होता है. दिस रिजल्टेड टू ऑल दिस पिम्पल शिज, बट दैट्स ओके. आई हैव लर्नड माई लेसन. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड मैं इसे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के साथ कोई गड़बड़ नहीं करूँगी. एक्चुअली मैं खरीद रही थी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, बट जैसा मुझे चाहिए था ना, सॉफ्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, वैसा मिल नहीं रहा था. बट फाइनली आई एम ग्लैड कि मास का ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, इट वर्क्स रियली गुड फॉर मी. Okay, so we have created an eye base. We'll take a fluffy brush and go ahead with a light brown kind of a shade. So I'm taking this Jaclyn X Morphe Hill palette and taking this shade. This is a lightish brown. I'm taking it on a fluffier brush. मेरे को ना transition color create करना है. We will not be using much of products in this look क्योंकि बहुत simple look है, कोई भी कर सकता है. Take this and just transition create करो. ऊपर ही create करो, बाकी कहीं पे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो ऐसे बस आगे पीछे. This is the motion that we are aiming for. सिर्फ कलर दिखना चाहिए ऊपर थोड़ा. If you want, you can intensify it. I like to intensify my eyeshadows. Transition color has been laid. I'll go ahead for a eye base. for this step you can either go with a black base. अभी तो हम blue smoky eyes करें तो हम blue base भी लगा सकते हैं, but अगर if you want to go ahead with a black base, that is also fine. I don't want a black base, that is why I'm using this NY Bay Long Island water resistant and smudge proof kohl, and this is in the shade blue. Wow, this is how it looks like. I will just give you a swatch of this kajal. Can you see? I mean, I don't know if you are able to focus on this. This is really beautiful. बहुत beautiful color है. I'll take this and मैं ना अपने eyes के नज़दीक ही, मतलब lash line के नज़दीक ऐसे draw करूँगी line. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can be as messy as you want. It's perfectly fine. बट डू रिमेंबर कि ये आपके क्रीज तक ही हो. क्रीज इज वॉट दिस, यहाँ तक ही होना चाहिए. क्रीज से थोड़ा नीचे होना चाहिए. डोंट गो ज़्यादा ऊपर. यहाँ पे कितना भी मेसी कर लो चलेगा, बिकॉज विल जस्ट गो अहेड एंड ब्लेंड इट, बट इससे ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Now we'll not take more product, but we'll take a pencil brush. We'll take a pencil brush and just smudge this color. Like this is a very beautiful royal blue sort of a color. I'll just take it and smudge, क्योंकि ये काजल है ना तो थोड़ा सा smudge कर लेते. It will give a very good and a gradient kind of look. Do you see? It looks good. Okay, this looks good. Also now is the time, I'll just clean this pencil brush. Now is the time जब हमें blue color का pigment इस पे place करना है. So you can use any blue eyeshadow palette. I have this eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, so I would go ahead and use this. If you have any other eyeshadow palette, I think yeah, this Makeup Revolution one also has a very similar and a very attractive blue. Can you see the line जहाँ पे सिर्फ blues है? आप ये भी ले सकते हो. This is also a very good palette. This is Makeup Revolution's Patricia Bright Patricia palette. So I'll take this color. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'll take this color. I'll load the color and then I'll just place it. Can you see? Such a pretty color. Oh my god, I love blue as a color. It is so good. It looks beautiful. ये काजल थोड़ा ज़्यादा क्रीमी है तो ये स्प्रेड होने के बहुत चांसेस है, इसलिए आई एम ट्राइंग टू लोड द कलर. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, this combination looks bomb. This has to be the last step, and then our blue smoky eyes, easy peasy blue smoky eyes are done. I'll take a darker tone of brown over here. I'll take it in a blending brush, tap off the excess, and then I'll just go ahead and blend it in my crease. NY Bay blue kajal into my waterline. Okay, I'll need something. Just give me a minute. I have something fancy. Now I'll take this same pencil brush, take the shade and just blend it in. So welcome back guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and you really liked what you see. Also I know that this must be a very big tutorial because I know that it took a lot of time for me to film. The eyes were easy but base and everything, but I'm really happy with the way today's makeup has turned out. My base looks bomb, my blusher, my contour, my bronzer, my eyes, oh my god, everything today has just fallen in place, and I'm so grateful for days like this because today I was not feeling at all, like I was not feeling myself at all. I was feeling that I should not film it today, I would just give a pass, but still I just put myself together and filmed it. I just thought that putting on makeup would give me some sort of confidence, which it generally gives me. And guess what, who is here, who is looking all pretty, dolled up, beautiful. And I don't know, there is something about makeup that is so therapeutic. If you like to see this face, or if you like such videos, please do let me know in the comment section. That is how I can just create more content related to makeup for you. Also, a beginner's makeup kit or a starter kit is on the way, so please keep an eye on this channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it. You don't want to miss the awesome content. Also, if you like to see this face, please like this video, please share it with your friends, please do comment and let me know what do you feel about it. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I come online. And until next time, bye bye, love.